Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here bridged system is given. It's an interesting system with two bridged carbon and you have five member cyclic ring. You have alcohol which is in endo position. You're reacting with tosyl chloride and pyridine. You have to guess what will be the final product. Here the answer will be interesting because you will observe neighboring group participation from single bond, that is sigma bond assistance. The sigma bond can migrate and assist the leaving group. The OH is not a good leaving group, so tosyl attacks, you have good leaving group ability. So single bond migrate, you have new architecture. So if you redraw nicely, you have with one rigid carbon, then the cation has to be quenched. It is quenched by tosylate. Here the concept you have to learn here is even sigma bond can behave as a neighboring group and assist the leaving group. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.